12 best crochet crop top patterns for this summer. This intermediate level pattern by Anna Rodriguez of Freaky for Yarn is available as a PDF download. The Groovy Fruity Collection pattern is great for both beginner and advanced crocheters. It's the perfect top for lounging or dressing up. Designed by Ava Chen of Crochet by Ava Crafts, this easy scrunch crop top pattern is a PDF download. This intermediate PDF pattern by Megan Modallo of Little X Human Crochet uses DK yarn and requires 4 mm, 4.25 mm, and 4.5 mm hooks. Kristen Charles of Kristen at Crochet designed this experience level halter top pattern, available as a PDF download. It calls for 4 weight yarn and a 4.5 mm hook. An advanced PDF pattern by Magdalena of Mermaids Yarns. The Ophelia top uses sport weight drops, saffron yarn, and a 3 mm hook. This intermediate PDF pattern by Isabella of If Crochet Patterns can be made for sizes 3050DD. It uses fingering weight yarn and a 3 mm hook. Kayla Raymakers of K Patterns designed this intermediate PDF pattern that uses DK yarn and a 3 mm hook. This advanced beginner pattern by Brittany Rogers of Brittany Alice Crochet is a PDF download. It uses DK yarn and a 3.5 mm hook. Designed by Hannah Alexander of Off the Hook Apparel UK, this pattern is suitable for beginner to intermediate crocheters. It uses DK yarn and calls for 3.5 mm and 4 mm hooks. This beginner-level PDF pattern by Jojo Renee of JoJo's Company Patterns does not specify yarn weight or hook size. A PDF download pattern by Samantha Prock of Mile High Stitches. This intermediate-level crop top uses fine-to-weight yarn and a 3 mm hook. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.